Daddy! The super ferry! Yeah, hello! Come here! Boo boo ba? You want some candies? I don't do that, Daddy, ah!
Monk!
Oh! Masarap, baby? Gusto mo? Oh, this is our cabin.
It's better than the one that Mo and I had.
And there you go. This is Super Ferry 18. This is the view inside the room, from inside. This is Daddy. This is Boo Boo Ba. This is my Boo Boo Ba.
Get the marshmallow and then.
Oh, kiss Mama, dali, bilis. Kiss Mama muna. Sayanel.
How about when we come back to Manila? We can say the same thing.
We can.
Baho.
Baho. Sino baho? Sino baho?
Anything else do we have?
Come here. Kiss Mama, dali.
No.
Kiss mo Mama, bi.
Pa.
Buksan?
Pa.
Bukas? Bubu ba? Kiss Mama. Ulit. Ulit. Good morning to the morning. It's 5:30 in the morning.
My hair is standing up.
Yeah. Then there's Boo Boo Ba sleeping still. Because she did not sleep early last
Little
night.
ayaw.
She said,
Ayaw.
ayaw.
Little ayaw. Now look at her.
Oh, this is very beautiful. Look at the sunshine. Sunrise is okay. How about this?
What's that adapter box?
In the thing. Look at that. Water, peaceful.
What thing?
Let's cover it so you can see the sunshine there. Sunrise. And that's Andrew's iced tea. C2 from the Philippines.
They say it's supposed to be natural, but it has sodium citrate, artificial flavors, but it tastes natural. That's scary. That's scary when that happens. Look what it did to my hair.
And here's me with muta.
See, we can have our own circle.
Yes.
Don't drink artificial tea that tastes natural, because look what it does to your hair
And your eyes.
and your ass. And look what happens when you don't sleep.
Baby.
Not with my hair like this.
Good morning, sunshine. That's the sunshine in Cagayan de Oro City. That's a boat right there. Hi, baby. Sayanel, malikot. Maganda ka, baby? Sino maganda? Mama?
Kasi pag makauli si Kuan sa si Brillante.
O, si Jima, busy ng kuan, program pagkasugo ko. Sugo ko itong siya kay para di maglibod. Para kapuslan. Andrew making his journal. Then he's gonna send it to mommy.
No.
Hi, mom.
Maybe a year from now, when the enough water has passed under the bridge, then I might. Oh yeah, Mom. By the way, last year we took a trip to the Philippines.
was just
We didn't want you to know because
no, just say
spend every day worrying about whether I'd be kidnapped by the Abu Sayyaf. I'm not kidnapped yet.
oh, Andrew changed his mind.
Maybe some of those.
He saved a lot of money for his mileage and bought a ticket. I didn't know.
Dito lagi.
If I get kidnapped by some of those.
Okay.
Amo baya yaon.
Sino yon?
Amo sa.
Una ni nagatrabaho, gatik-stik sa. Bawal sa yaon.
Amo sa. Kontra presentation.
What's the name of that ball we went to?
Presentation of men in uniform.
Baby, come here.
Be in uniform.
Si Mama.
Presentation.
Sino ganda? Mama? Mami? Uy. Kahiswadi mo na utaw. Oh, may sabdo ka. Smile, baby. Tingnan mo si Mama. Tingin ka nga kay Mama. Oh, ay hindi na yan, love. Allah, basag na. Sige, teksinin ako empleyado. This baby at the tiny first class dining area with Daddy. Hi, Daddy. It's super fairy. Oh, yeah. What's the menu? So, is it served? Baby? Gutom ka na? Gutom na si baby ko? Ay, gutom na. Bingi ka, baby? Doon, gitna, Yung wet mo, baby! Wet! We're approaching Cebu Island. It's May the 26th. Out. 25. This is Cebu Pier. That's Cebu. I don't know which island of Cebu is that one, but it's the Visayas. The Visayas. It's our ship. And that's a little island over here. And that's my boo-boo. Hello, Cebu. We're here for a while, 2 hours. And we'll see you again when we come back. Bye.